What if I told you there are free AI tools that can write, design, edit videos, and save you hours every day? In this video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly AI tools you can start using today. Welcome to AI Simplified, the channel where AI is made easy for everyone. If you're new to AI and want simple tools that actually help, you're in the right place. The first tool is ChatGPT. It helps you write emails, essays, scripts, business ideas, and even solve problems. If you don't know how to start with AI, this is the best place. For example, you can ask it to write a YouTube script, plan your day, or explain any topic in simple words. Next is Canva AI. This tool helps you design thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, and even videos without any design skills. You just type what you want and Canva creates it. CapCut AI is perfect for video editing beginners. It can auto-generate captions, remove backgrounds, and even edit videos automatically. This is why many faceless YouTubers use it. This AI turns text into videos. You paste a script and it creates visuals, subtitles, and transitions for you. Notion AI helps with notes, planning, studying, and productivity. Students and professionals love this tool. All these tools are beginner-friendly and free to start. Subscribe to AI Simplified for more easy AI tutorials, and comment which tool you want me to explain next.